Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can upload custom HTML code to your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, while it is not possible to upload HTML files, it is simply not something that Squarespace sites support. You can upload custom HTML code and make certain edits to basically show a page which is completely made up of custom HTML code, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Now, I don't know the exact methods or the exact code you need to input, but if you follow my steps, you will most likely know how to do it. Now, what you're going to do first is you're going to get your HTML code wherever it is. It doesn't matter what it is. It can be an embed. It can be whatever. Then you want to go to a page that you're going to make. Let's, for example, just make a blank page. I'll add it to the not linked section. Just add a blank page, name it test, and now we have our blank page without any code. Now, as you can see, we still have the header and the footer. This is simply going to stay because we cannot remove it as of now, but I'm going to show you guys what to do first and then how you can possibly remove these two. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go into edit and you're going to add an empty section. Just go into section and add a blank section, and here you can add blocks. Now, you can add a couple different blocks. You can add code blocks or you can add embed blocks. I would recommend code blocks just for this purpose. You will be able to use HTML for these. You can rearrange them and resize them however you would like. However, they are limited to this space. I'm pretty sure to the left and to the right you cannot remove those spaces, but this is where you can then click edit, and then you can edit the HTML code to display whatever you want it to display. You can also display source code if you want here in this block, if you want it to be viewed like that, or you can just disable it and then you'll see what is written here. Now, as for the mode, you can select HTML. You can also code in CSS, JavaScript, Markdown, and plain text. Keep it in HTML and then copy the contents of your HTML file over here. Now, let's say we've done that. We have our HTML file that we want. Then we're going to exit out of this, and what we're going to do from the Pages menu, we're going to go down, go into Website Tools, then go into Custom CSS. And here I have some custom CSS for a font. But what you can do, you can add custom CSS to remove the footer and the header of the site, which I personally don't know how to do. But if you can figure it out, you can absolutely just delete it through the use of CSS code. And that is basically all you can do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.